back, relax, and let the joy begin. To begin this beautiful evening, let's invoke God's blessings upon this celebration. We now invite our chief guest, Reverend Father Carlos Tino, Director Sir, Principal Sir, and Prati Ma'am to bless the prayer. Let this moment remind us the true reason for the season: love, peace, and giving.
Our Sacred Heart School, and in part of us, the staff and the students of this family have prepared this beautiful tree that reminds us of Jesus Christ coming into this world and incarnating in the form of a child, baby child, and this become the source of grace, blessings, and serenity, peace to all the people around here and present here and those who are visiting this school. And that is the prayer we make for all the staff, principal, teachers, and the students' parents, that they will be guided, inspired by His values and all the ideals during this season of Christmas that all may be blessed.
It is a great honor that we welcome our esteemed chief guest, Father Carlos Quiro, Principal St. Anthony's School, Siliguri, today. A distinguished scholar and a dedicated professional whose journey reflects both in academics, brilliance, and unwavering commitment to service. Born in Ranchi, then part of undivided Bihar, now Jharkhand, our chief guest began his educational journey in Ranchi, completing schooling under the Patna board. His pursuit of knowledge led him to earn a Bachelor of Arts from IGNOU, New Delhi, followed by a Master's in Political Science from Ranchi College, Ranchi University. With deep inclination towards philosophy and theology, he further enriched his academics profile by completing a Bachelor of Philosophy from Dharmaram College, Bangalore, and a Master's in Theology from St. Albert's College, Ranchi. To complement this, he also pursued a Bachelor of Education from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, equipping him to inspire and guide future generations. Over the past 20 years of professional experience, our chief guest has exemplified dedication, wisdom, and leadership. His multi-faced academic background and decades of service stand as a testament to his perseverance and vision. Today, as we welcome him amongst us, we celebrate not only his achievements, but also the values of learning, reflection, and commitment that he embodies. It is my privilege to invite our Honorable Director Sir to extend a token of respect and appreciation to our distinguished Chief Guest, Reverend Father Carlos Quiro, and Father Udit Lagra, Vice Principal of St. Anthony's School, Siliguri.
Father Carlos, restricted, Father Lakra, Director Sir, Man, our Associate Director, our esteemed guests, parents. First and foremost, on behalf of the entire school, I extend our utmost gratitude to all of you for taking out your time to be with us to celebrate Christmas with Sacred Heart School. The message that different writers and thinkers have been giving time and again when they think about Christmas has been almost similar. They say that Christmas is not a season, it's a feeling. They say that Christmas is not in the presents found in the store, but it's something more. And so on and so on and so on. But the message that they're trying to give is very clear. The feeling, the event that binds all of us together for this great celebration which the entire world enjoys is the birth of Christ. And He's very humble, beginning in a manger, represented by a crib at the front. And two things stand out with this amazing beginning. Number one, it was a very humble beginning. It was neither in palaces, it was not there in some rich man's house, but at a time that was very turbulent, that was very disturbed. And yet, that incident has brought us all together after 2,000 years with a message of hope and to bring us year after year on the 25th of December that says that there's hope in the world. And thinking back, I think the situation was not very different from what's happening around our world too. With the war in Ukraine, the disturbance in Palestine, and even in all of that, I'm sure there are children getting born, and there are families that look forward with hope and a better tomorrow. So the message comes over not from some great shows, some great politicians, or from kings and queens, but from very humble sources that things will be better. So today too, our program that has been put together also has a very humble beginning. It's from the youngest members of our school family. And they've tried to bring together a message which tells everyone that forgiveness is always possible, that everything always has a new beginning, that history, whatever it may be, can always be bettered. And also tomorrow will always be a better tomorrow. So dear guests and everyone gathered here today, I hope you enjoy this wonderful display of love and affection that the Primary Wing has put together and has been working towards for the last 3 months. So thank you, and please enjoy yourself this very evening, and we wish you a Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says.
teachers, and my dear students. I'm honored and privileged to be here today to be a part of this wonderful pre-Christmas celebration, and I think play as well. My special thanks to the director, Mr. Anil Gupta, who always remembers me and invites me in almost every program of the school. I am very thankful to him, and every time I come, I enjoy the program. Maybe Christmas celebration or some annual programs, some educational programs. But this Christmas, during Christmas season, this is the season which brings happiness, love, and compassion. My advice to the students, the junior wings, the young hearts, I want to give a Christmas message. Actually, the director, Mr. Anil Gupta, has requested me to give a motivational speech. I prepared a motivational speech, but I don't think it will be suitable here to give because all are not students here. The Christmas message which I want to say with all the students and the young hearts is to minimize the use of mobile phones. Mobile is a necessity nowadays, but it may not be always the students. I wish all the students Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year. Thank you.
So for this year's Yuletide celebration, the primary wing is putting up a play which is adapted from the famous story called The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. So each scene is, it talks about kindness, it talks about friendship, and lastly it also talks about forgiveness and repentance.
And this is the right time to teach them, kindness, forgiveness, acceptance in life. There are children dancing, then we have a school choir, then we have this.
This year we are planning to put up a show on the play based on The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. I hope you all are going to like the hard work and the tireless effort put up by the students and the teachers.
On behalf of the students and staff of Sacred Heart School, I wish
Every Christmas has a story. In the Garhwal region, life moves to the rhythm of its hills. As our story begins, the village is bustling with the usual energy, and the boys step forward, bringing in the lively charm of their homeland. a mountain girl, born when snow had come right up to the windows. She didn't know whether she was 9, 10 or 11, and she didn't much care. All she knew was that the hills were hers. Binia had 2 cows, Gori the fair one and Neelu the blue-green, and when they wandered off into pine forests or down to the stream, it was Binia's job to fetch them. Not with you, he had exams now.
Binya is off playing with cows again while I drown in maths.
Let him drown. At least cows listens to me. There now, Neelu, naughty girl, you will get us both scolded. Binya loved her cows, and her cows loved her back. Not like Biju, who tugged at their tails. Binya let them roam, just like she did. This was Binya's world. Potatoes, pine forest, tiger claws strung on necklaces, and soon something else, something blue, something beautiful, something that could change everything. And just then a lively group of picnickers passes through the valley, bringing a little song and dance with them.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with ABC. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. The first 3 notes just happen to be Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Oh, let's see if I can make it easier. Once you have these notes in your heads, you can sing a million different tunes by mixing them up, like this.
Neelu's close. I can hear the bell. Oh, there now, you silly cows. Always going just far enough to worry me. Binya heard voices, laughter, clinking cups, and bright chatter in unfamiliar accents. And then she saw them, tourists from the plains, gathered for a picnic. Their clothes were as bright as the food was rich, and lying on the grass, like a sky falling to earth, was the most beautiful thing Binya had ever seen. It's a flower, a great blue flower. Oh look, who's here? A little village girl. She is pretty, but look at those clothes, torn and filthy. Well, they are already poured in the hills. Come girl, don't be shy. Would you like something to eat? She wasn't drawn by the food. Not this time. It was the umbrella. It had cast a spell on her. A blue silk spell.
What's that painted?
It's a tiger's claw, no doubt. A lucky charm, right?
Oh, I want one. Please, can I have it?
I will buy it. Here, take this for a pendant. What about this? 50 rupees.
How silly she is.
Maybe it's not hers to sell. All right then, what do you want?
My umbrella? She wants my umbrella. What cheek?
You want her pendant, don't you?
That's different.
Is it?
Oh, enough. We are making fools of ourselves. Fine, take it. Here is your precious umbrella. Never closed her blue umbrella. Even inside her little stone house, it stood open in the corner like a living thing. But Biju grumbled about it, said it blocked the way. But Binya didn't care.
Oh, can't you shut this thing? I nearly tripped again.
It looks sad when it's closed. To her, it wasn't just an umbrella. It was a bit of the sky she could hold in her hands.
Arey Binya, what's that you have got there?
Isn't it lovely?
That's a Mem Sahib's umbrella. It is a lady's toy. Where did a hill girl like you get something like that?
I gave away my tiger claw necklace.
You exchanged your lucky claw for that.
Yes.
But it's no use to you. Sun's not strong enough and it's no good in rain either. Tell you what, little one, sell it to me. I'll give you 5 rupees.
But it's worth 15.
Oh ho, a smart bargainer. Are you? Fine then, 10 rupees.
No.
12 rupees. Final offer.
I just came for a toffee.
Even your umbrella's cleverer than me.
He watched the girl disappear down the road, the umbrella glowing like a sapphire in the sun, and something stirred in his chest. Was it longing, envy, or just the fear that such beauty did not belong in poor hands?
Four years ago, Biju had knocked a beehive out of a tree and paid the price in bees' teeth. But now, not even the fiercest bee could bother him. His body remembered, but just now his stomach didn't. It was 2 o'clock. He hadn't eaten since sunrise.
Oranges. Sour as vinegar.
work, but better than nothing. Arey Biju, what will you have today? No money, uncle. Pay later, huh? You can trust old Ram Bharosa. No, I will come when I am going. Some boys have taken sweets on credit and paid with knives, jars, and even earrings. But not Binya's brother, not yet, because Ram Bharosa had his eyes set on something shinier. You have orange lips. So do you. Here, you eat. I'll hold the umbrella. Till we reach home, you can have it. That girl with a fine umbrella, a poor farmer's daughter. And I, a BA, walk with black clothes just at the corners. I could borrow some paint from the art room and turn yours blue. And I could borrow your idea and call it innovation. Hare Ram, Hare Ram. There are no blue umbrellas in Rishikesh. You can find it only in Delhi. They say, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Let it rain hard. We will see how the blue umbrella will work. It will fly off in the wind. Lightning can destroy it. They mocked it, cursed it, feared it might collapse. But secretly, they all wanted it. And then the clouds burst, sheets of water, thunder rolling like drums across the hills. She had waited for this moment, for rain on silk, not a drop on her head, only breakthroughs and hearts full of sky.
Drip drop rain on my head, drip drop rain on my head, rain falls down on the ground, drip drop rain on my head.
A meme-side stain in the hands of a child, and yet she shines with it.
Had faded the blue, the rains had softened its glow, but Binya's umbrella, frail as it seemed, held strong, and Ram Bharosa, he still burned for it.
What is it, Babuji? You sound as if a ghost passed.
It's a sickness, boy. A sickness called beauty. And Binia's umbrella is to blame.
A blue umbrella making you ill. Should I chase it off with a broom?
She refused me. That proud girl. 10 rupees I offered. 10.
Maybe she will settle for 12.
12. For a faded thing? Not worth it. And yet, I wanted not to sell, to have.
But Babuji, you sit here all day. What will you do with it? Keep the rain of your sweets.
Fool! What use is the moon to the earth? What use is music to a stone? I want it because it is beautiful, because it isn't mine.
What if I get it for you?
What are you saying?
You heard me. What will you give me? If the umbrella finds its way here quietly?
You mean to steal it? Thief? What a delightful child you are. May you never marry my daughter. But how would I show it? Everyone will know.
Easy. You don't show it. You hide it or dye it red. That's your headache. My job is the getting.
You would do it for money?
For beauty. And 30 rupees.
You will come to a bad. I will give you 20.
Then keep your sickness. I am no medicine man.
Wretch! All right, 30. Fetch me the umbrella.
Considered it done, Babuji.
In the quiet hush of the pine woods, Binia searched for porcupine quills. No picnickers in the monsoon, only shadows and someone watching.
Fine already. If I find 3 more, I will get a full 10 rupees. Hey, stop! That's mine!
But Rajaram had very big feet, and Binia was swift and sure. She flew downhill, barefoot and fierce, like a hawk chasing the wind.
Binya, what's wrong?
My umbrella! He's stolen it!
I will catch him.
The stream lay ahead. The team reached it first, but Biju was faster.
My umbrella!
A whirlwind of fist and fury, mud, sweat, splashes, yells, till finally.
Why did you take it? Tell me.
Let me go! I didn't want it! It was Ram Bharosa! He told me to take it or I'd lose my job! So it was him! Ram Bharosa! Our shopkeeper! The shop was empty now. The trust was gone. Ram Bharosa the trusted was now the umbrella thief.
He sold for a blue umbrella? Even children call him names now. Who buys from thieves?
Biju whistled through storm, through sunshine and through shame. But Binia walked softly these days. It's my umbrella. I did not steal it. But did I care too much for it? More than kind
It's a good point. You will get your toffee.
There it was, the dream of months, blue and beautiful, within reach.
But I'm never in the sun, nor the rain. Binya! Binya! You forgot your umbrella. Here, you forgot it.
No, you keep it.
But it's such a pretty umbrella. The best in the village.
I know, but an umbrella is not everything.
In that moment, it belonged to both of them. She gave away her umbrella and he found something better than what he had stolen. He found forgiveness.
One of them as they step forward for the curtain call. And now, to guide us gracefully through this evening's finale, I welcome our Master of Ceremony, Zumin Sarwar, and his mentor, Mrs. Charmaine Erlin. Girls and boys, yes, better. Let us welcome the melodious voices who set the mood of our play, the choir. First line, Gunjan Soni, Ruhi Mandal, Shivansh Guru, Aryaman Kumar, Rohan Minch, Hassan Parvez, Utkarsh Havaldar, Adrita Shaha, Adrika Prakash. Second line, Vijay Chaudhary, Ritunjay Kumar, Anshuk Sural, Vansh Sharma, Kalp Sancheti, Abhiraj Roy, Ravish Mishra, Kaushik Roy. Third line, Yuvraj Aryan, Rishabh Raj Ranjan, Puru Pratap, Monik Prasad, Abhinav Chaparia, Keshav Kumar. guided by their mentors George Shepherd and Sajal Mandal sir. Our story was enriched by vibrant dances that brought color and rhythm to stage. Do you agree? Great. Garhwal dance. Prihan Shaha, Khushwant Raj, Surya Chetri, Divyansh Bhagat, Tohit Ali, Yash Singh, Abhiraj Jaiswal, Chiranjeev Kumar, Ansh Raj, Lakshit Raj, and their mentors, Mrs. Deepa Bhargav and Mrs. Ganga Vishkarma. Thank you. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, the dance that brightened up the stage, Do Re Mi. Ravya Jitwani, Bhargavi Sen, Rajshri Mistry, Anvesha Roy, Adrija Datta, Ishani Ray, Dev Priya, Ankita Vedant, along with their mentors, Mrs. Jessica Rai, Mrs. Nikita Sarkar, and Mrs. Shikha Ghosh. Rain dance. Ridhima Chaudhary, Sriyanshi Oza, Zoya, Anadita Roy, Nimit Prasad, Nova Paul, Piyu Prasad, Akshat Aryan, Ahi Raj Paul, Abhaya Datta, Rizviyan Kuzur, Meenakshi Kumari, along with their mentors, Mrs. Flora Upshin, Miss Mary Jo, and Miss Sujata Diwan. The voice of the story weaving words into magic. Our narrators, Anushka Mazumdar and Vamik Kareem. Girls and boys, I know it's little cold, but not so much also. I'm simply not hearing your... Yes. The characters who brought Ruskin Bond's world alive. The cows. Neelu, Rohan Poddar, Gauri, David Shah. Diksha Bhagat as Binya and Aradhya Kumari as voiceover. Divya Raj as Bichu and Piyush Kumar as the voiceover. Anas as Ram Bharosa and Divyanshu voiceover. Naman Bhagat as Raja Ram and Aryan Bhagat the voiceover. Supporting roles, the picnickers. Anushri Kumari with the voiceover of Ekka Sophia. Pritisha Bhagat with the voiceover of Srimanti Kundu. Shiprak Suryan's voiceover with Krish Bajaj. Arush Gupta, Samiksha Om Kashyap, Arindam Shaha, Sonakshi Kumari and Satakshi Kumari. The villagers. Iqbal Hassan with the voiceover of Ayush Kumar. Mayank Gupta, voiceover Aranya Maiti. Then we have Snikha Mahanta, Jayesh Ray, Aruj Ranjan, Pratyush Minch, Beba, Avantika Kashyap, Advir Shaha, the priest Ushan Mazumdar with the voice over Aditya Shaha, with their mentors Mrs. Corinne Gomes and Ms. Alka Thapa. Pratyush Minch, Krish Bajaj, with the teacher in charges Ms. Shrestha Mondal, Ms. Priyanka Chetri and Ms. Arvita Dawdi. LCD screen was and the PowerPoint presentation was prepared by Ms. Samrita Mangal. The sound effects by Ms. Moini Guru. And the lights by Mr. Hilton Upshin. So you have to turn back to see sir. Okay, right now the light is on right. And now the most important people without whom this play would be charmless. The visionaries who guided every step, every scene, every performance. And with then a lot of apprehension, we started preparing this play, which is adapted by our principal sir, Mr. Prafulla Pradhan. So let us give him a big hand of applause. Not visible. Hoping that you all enjoyed our play and we were able to convey the spirit of Christmas. Thanks to all the performers on the stage. Thank you.
Pushing to left, the senior boys are here to put up the festive spirit.
of hearing from our special guest to honor this evening, our chief guest, Reverend Father Carlos Quiro. I now humbly call upon Father for his inspiring words.
Dear respected director, secretaries, respected principal Prafulla Pradhan, when he approached me, I willingly accepted because I got this chance to come over this stage of Sacred Heart School. Here present distinguished guests, respected parents, guardians, beloved students, and more especially the primary section's beautiful, innocent, and efficient children. I simply enjoyed the play, the blue umbrella. That was beautiful, very beautifully it was displayed, and I just enjoyed. And I'd like to just share a few points of this play. As I was reflecting, this was written by Ruskin Bond, as we heard, and it was during the time that was 1980s. He said that it was one of the most beautiful film for the 2000 years ago, which was there the situation during the time of Jesus' birth is not much different even today. And that is what we saw. The message when they brought in front of us, the message of sharing the joy, the kindness, it was depicted and played before us, was very much reflected or the symbolized in the play, in their action when they played over here. That's what I felt this. And this is how when we speak about this name, Sacred Heart is the heart of Jesus, sacred or Christ or the heart of Christ that symbolizes the divinity of God and His heart that sanctifies. Sanctification means the purity, sacredness, sanctity, or the innocent of heart. That is what with the mind and the grace of the management must have kept this in the evening hour of this. At that time when Jesus was born, he said, the Christmas tide. So, Sir had given the name Yuletide. Yuletide of someone's coming to your family or to your place, someone great. That is what we call that Sacred Heart School children learn in this garden of Sacred Heart School. That's what I believe. Under the guidance, able guidance of the management, director, principal sir, and the teachers, these children have beautifully performed. I felt that. And when we talk about this as a whole in the counter value or in the world today, then the meaning, what we learn from this Christmas or the umbrella, the blue umbrella, which was said at the end, that was a message at that time that there was something happiness, satisfaction or dissatisfaction, transformation. These children can bring really the change and transformation in the society and in the future to come. Or darkness of sin, in the darkness of inhuman behavior. And when he came, he wanted to change the mind and atmosphere of the humanity, and that is what he wanted to bring, the transformation in the hearts and the minds of the people. And that is relevant at 2000, that was relevant 2000 years ago, and that is relevant till today. And that is what the message of Christmas today I want to give you all is only the four things. That is why another aspect of Christmas is the message of joy. Baby Jesus Christ, during this Easter, also during this Christmas tide, grant you all this happiness, joy, and peace to all of you. Once again, thanking our beloved principal, Prafulla Pradhan, who gave this
opportunity to come over and speak to you a few words. I'm very happy and grateful to all of you, and may God bless you, and happy Christmas and prosperous New Year to you all.
Thank you, Father, for those inspiring words and your gracious presence today. And now, to celebrate the spirit of joy and generosity, we have someone very special joining us. Bells. I think I smell plum cake and candy cane. Yes, here comes the one and only Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa, and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We now invite our beloved Prati ma'am. She's the heart of our primary family, always guiding with warmth and a smile.
Good evening. Honorable Chief Guest Sir, guests of honor, patrons, friends, well-wishers, parents, and beloved children of Sacred Heart School. It's that time of the year again when the calendar wraps up and we have to wish one another Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But before that, I turn my heart upwards in gratitude, not only to God above, but to all His angels on earth here who have joined us in this celebration. The primary wing of Sacred Heart School is the favorite one. Yes? Please clap for us. Oh, I didn't hear that. What about the students of Sacred Heart School? Seniors? Middle school? Look, you're going to have your day coming up soon. 19th and 20th, is it? Of course. Yes, so don't you worry. To our parents of our littlest ones, I have a strong message for you. The mobile phone use of language which is inappropriate is becoming our challenge. हम ये चाहते हैं हमारे प्रिय बच्चों के प्रिय माता पिता कि जब वो घर में आपके साथ होते हैं थोड़ा सा उन पे नियंत्रण रखें कि वो कौन सा भाषा उपयोग कर रहे हैं, किनके साथ उठ बैठ कर रहे हैं और मोबाइल पे क्या देख रहे हैं. प्लीज रिमेंबर, जो बच्चे हमारे साथ यहाँ रहते हैं हॉस्टल में, we are able to manage and control what they do. But जो बच्चे आपके साथ रहते हैं, please, it becomes important for you to understand कि आप और हम मिलकर ही उनका परवरिश कर सकते हैं. For the entire primary faculty, and I heard about the great producer, our principal sir, and the directors and the actors, the vote of thanksgiving will follow. I will not spend time there, but with a heart full of love again and gratitude for everyone present here, and blessings be channeled to all of us from any God and every God that we believe in. Wish you a Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
On behalf of Sacred Heart School Primary Wing, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making this Christmas celebration so special and memorable. First and foremost, I extend a warm thank you to our chief guest, Reverend Father Carlo Quiro, and for gracing this occasion with his presence. To all our esteemed guests, the galaxy of dignitaries present here who made their presence to make this a memorable evening for us. We are honored to have our director sir, co-director, associate director, our principal sir, and all the fellow Heartians here for their help in organizing this venue for us. To all our dear parents and families, thank you for your presence, enthusiasm, and constant support. Your encouragement means the world to us and truly makes this occasion a success. Thank you for your trust on us. Thank you for sharing in the joy of Christmas with us.
They